nice somewhere, get a nice, I don't know, do you fancy a hot drink? Cold drink?
I'm quite full.
A drink?
No, I'm full. I don't
Water or
drink.
something?
No, I don't drink much. Even during the day, so normally I don't drink much.
As we leave the Needles and Allen Bay behind us, now is the ideal time to mention two of our other seasonal services which you may find interesting. From Rye, we have the Downs Breezer, which explores the eastern side of the island, taking in some of the island's most spectacular views of the island and mainland, as well as serving some of the island's premier tourist attractions. In Shanklin, you can hop aboard our Shanklin shuttle bus service, which links Shanklin bus station, the railway station, Shanklin Esplanade, Shanklin Chine, and the picturesque Shanklin Old Village. Operating dates for these two services are as specified in our timetable, or you can always check with your driver or at the office in Yarmouth bus station.
Can't believe we met Kerry's boyfriend. I kept saying, when are we going to meet him? And she kept saying, I don't know. It was like,
Without station,
yes.
Oh, did you hear?
High over to your right,
Did
you
you want
can
to
see the
say
Tennyson Monument,
when you
celebrating the
say,
achievements of a notable local resident.
We always
and
say
now in the
we
care
never
of the
expect to
National
meet
Trust.
friends.
Often
Here,
overlooked,
over here,
however,
something
is
like that.
another
You what
famous
she said.
native freshwater,
No friends,
Robert
call colleagues, something
Born
like
in
that.
1635,
Yeah.
in
I saw
family
where that.
and disabled himself, he was nonetheless the
Oh,
most
yes.
advanced scientist of his age. Many modern machines are the
She
result of his
said,
ideas.
she said no friends,
Among
co-workers,
Robert's
something like that. She
inventions were the
said.
Iris
Yeah,
diaphragm
you
and the
didn't
camera, and the
Then I was
universal
like,
joint in a motor vehicle.
then after, did you see
He was also the
that? After I
originator
came
of
to
the word
watch.
Yeah.
Because that's
biology.
what she said. And I was like,
Another of his inventions
I like, no,
continues to
for
work
me,
as
of course,
effectively as
we
ever
could work,
in the
but you would
21st
have one.
century. For Robert Hooke
Oh, wow.
was the inventor of the
All
watch
the same,
balance
look,
spring.
they're all the same.
Oh, look. Beautiful.
Yeah, because I was like, you and her, of course you were friends, because you know each other long time before joint buses.
Yeah. I know, I didn't hear that.
Yeah, and I said, yeah. So no
Look,
friends, co-workers,
Oh.
colleagues, something like that, she said. Then I was like,
Charming. Oh, look at this.
yeah, it's nice.
Is it a house or is it separate flats? It's a house, I think.
Don't know.
One
No
house,
idea.
I think.
No, because they have cars there, cars
Yes,
here, it's
yeah,
like two
yeah,
garage, I
yeah.
don't know. Could be.
It could be.
Oh, this one is nice, Sarah. Look.
Yes. Yeah, although they must not be bored, but it must be difficult for them here a few days, what they're going to do, you know, it's definitely
Yeah.
different than what we used to.
The next stop is Totland. The name Totland means protruding prominent land. The road on the left, opposite the War Memorial, will take you down to Totland Bay. This unspoiled bay is a shingle sand composite and ideal for walkers. The bay is also home to the Waterfront Pub, which specialises in seafood and Mediterranean cuisine. From the bay, you will also see Totland Pier. The pier was completed in 1880 by the Totland Bay Hotel to attract tourists to the area. Today, the pier is undergoing restoration to bring it back to its former glory and once again bring more tourists to the area.
You see, I have off from the 6th of May. I have 5 days off yet from that. Then I'm looking, I think I will go somewhere.
Yeah. Why not?
I will go somewhere hot.
Yes, definitely.
to buy.
Yeah,
The
definitely,
foreign
and they're all,
common on your
most
left
houses
is
are
the stop
detached
for
as well,
Caldwell Bay.
which is good, isn't it?
Caldwell Bay
neighbours
is the
aren't
ideal place for
joined
those
in.
seeking the quieter side of the seaside. The water here is shallow and warm, making it perfect for swimming. The bay itself is 2 miles long and comprises of sand and
Oh,
shingle.
I bet it's down
There
here.
is
It's
also a
lovely,
beach shop,
it's
Yes, it was
restaurants
the
and deck chair
thing
hire.
about.
swimming and, yeah, I've been swimming.
Shallow end.
Shallow end, yeah.
Shallow end.
So it's down here, but you can't, there's,
Rockstone Cottage.
yeah. Yeah, it's got the restaurant called The Hut, which is, and lots of people come in on their yacht for the restaurant. And I've been there, yeah, on my birthday last year.
Charlotte left as well, no?
Yes, Deanna's, she left ages ago. Yeah.
No, Diana was up.
Yes, no.
This part of the
Charlotte
island
left
has
as well.
always been well defended
Ages
from
ago.
enemy invasion. At one point there were
But you know,
7
when
points of
Diana
defence
left,
on
we
this
were
side
not
of the
together
island.
anymore.
I didn't know
These were the
that.
Needle
They were
Battery,
really bad.
Otherwood Battery, Warden Point Battery, Cliff End Battery,
Yeah, no,
Fort Warden,
I
and
like
coming up on
Diana.
the
Yes,
right
I did.
are the remains of the extremely well defended
Yeah,
Golden Hill
I did.
Fort.
Was Charlotte
A
left?
Yeah, it
six-sided
was,
structure,
yeah.
Golden Hill was a land rather than sea defence
But
force
that's what I
and acted
say.
as a barracks
Why
for the
do you
gunners
think
manning the
it was-
nearby batteries.
No, you can
While
Yeah,
operating,
I
the
know,
fort
I
even had
know.
its own hospital, which can still be seen over to your left. Constructed between 1863 and 1868, this remarkable listed landmark was used by the Army until 1962. As well as being home to luxury apartments, it is also reputed to be home to a ghost. The ghost is believed to have been a World War I sergeant major who was hated by his colleagues. He died after accidentally falling down a flight of stairs and breaking his neck. Accidental or not, we'll let you decide for yourselves.
Pony Rider. Look at that.
Oh,
You and me, look. You were the blonde and me the brown.
Blondie and brownie.
You can see on your cheek and I can't believe you because we are both there. That was funny. Have you been to Cheddar?
Yes, Cheddar Gorge, yes.
And so
Have
when you walk
loads,
around,
loads.
the amount of boats around there.
Yes, loads. Yeah, that was a place we used to go a lot when I was growing up.
I've been there 3 times.
Yeah, my mum and dad have taken Jade lots of times.
I like that.
Yes,
I love it.
yeah, they liked it. They used to take their caravan and stay there a lot.
No, I stayed in B&B.
Yeah. My mum and dad have got a caravan, they drive around everywhere.
We
Now
will
they
soon
stay
be
in
approaching the stop for
Wallingford,
Fort
yeah.
Victoria, which is situated
mum and dad
approximately
have
half a
caravan.
mile down the lane
Can we
from the
borrow
bus
from them or
stop.
not?
Fort Victoria
They-
was completed in
When they bought
1855
it, they were
to
like, you can
complement
borrow
Hurst
it. But
Castle
when you
as
say you want to
defence force
borrow it,
against
they're
the
paying
threat of French
6th floor,
invasion.
like, really?
By 1890, it was used as a mine
They're
depot
jealous
by the
of
Royal
Yeah, no, I don't
Engineers.
think, I think they're
And during
scared
World
of
War
like, you know,
I,
I drive a
to
bus
get
for a living.
It's
part of the
jealous.
island's
No, they're
defence
not
system.
Yeah, it is in
The site was
jealous.
My mum and dad are
decommissioned in the
not jealous people.
1960s. and was
No,
now
They're just
used
precious.
as a location
They're precious
for the
of their
secret
thing, but
mission
they're not
Les
jealous.
Miserables.
They're
The remains
precious.
of the fort now
But
house
now,
a cafe,
yeah, every
along with
time I've
several
said, oh,
visitor
I take
attractions, including a planetarium,
My dad
a
hurt his arm and he
reptilarium,
couldn't
one
drive.
coast
And he
sweet
needed
shop,
to move the
and
caravan.
an
I was like, I'll
archaeology
do it.
centre.
His face, I was like, Dad, I drive a bus every day. Do you know what I mean? I can move your caravan.
Now coming into Yarmouth, and we'll shortly
And he didn't
pass
like to
over
do
the
it.
Long
No.
Swing Bridge,
No.
which opens hourly throughout the summer months to allow boats to
Look,
moor in the
Sarah.
naturally
Yeah.
protected harbour. The Brettel Handbook to
Look,
the
the
Isle
thing
of
you
Wight
like.
refers to a ferry
The
between
patch.
Yarmouth and the hamlet of Norton to facilitate communications. In 1858,
Oh,
the
here we are.
causeway was built
Where-
across the
where's the
estuary,
Oh,
and
this
a
is where
swing bridge
Sarah's
was
mum
put in
lives.
place to
Yeah,
complete
but
the
it's
link to
gone past.
But
Freshwater
this
in
is a resort
1860.
leisure, you see.
The bridge
Yes.
was eventually replaced, and in 1987,
Yeah, that's where
this modern
Sarah's mum
swing
lives
bridge
over there. We
opened
come
to
the
the
different
public.
way. This is
Remains
Yarmouth,
of the
now
old
the other
bridge
way.
can still be seen to the left of the bridge. As we approach Yarmouth bus station at the end of our
yeah,
journey,
yeah,
we would
yeah.
like to thank you for travelling
No,
on
it's
the
gonna
Southern
stop.
Vectis
Fine.
Needles Breezer. This is the interchange point for Southern Vectis services to Newport and our island coaster service towards Ventnor, Shanklin and Sandown. If you wish to leave any feedback, then please feel free to pass your comments on to the driver
Yeah, he must
or
have
at
come
the
off the
office in the bus station. Alternatively, you can leave any comments on our TripAdvisor page online.
No, Portsmouth, no,
Once
Southampton.
again,
Right,
thank
right.
you
You
for
must drive
travelling with
here
us
as well.
today.
Yeah,
We hope you had an enjoyable time today and wish you a very pleasant onward journey.
Look, it's cookies
Yeah, I've got it.
everywhere.
It's because I was going to say normally I haven't seen a load of any school kids here, but I guess they're back at school and they come on the day trips.
Can we put this in the car? The car's the other side.
Yes, we don't have a
The other side.
Will it not fit inside your bag?
No, I put it there. Because that's why. Because I took